Spell is the local badge of Abracadabra Money, a decentralized money DeFi stage that permits clients to stake, loan, and homestead yields, with Spell filling in as the administration and utility token to open different elements and advantages inside the biological system. Assuming you're searching for Spell token cost expectation scores for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Spell token Spell will go from now on, we will investigate the previous costs of Spell token Spell and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally incomprehensible. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Spell token is $789 and Spell is at present positioned #452 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Spell token is 107, 405, 628.969 with a market cap of $84 to 795, 553. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Spell with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Spell token is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Spell is down to nearly 14.5% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have yet. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in present moment. We foresee future Spell token cost expectation Spell conjecture by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Spell token. We give our all to gather most extreme, authentic information for the Spell coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Spell token market cap, Spell token volume, and hardly any more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations. Spell token value expectation outline. The negative cost expectation for Spell token Spell in 2025 is $914, with a likely high of $917. There is potential for Spell token cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $12 toward the finish of 2030. The typical extended cost for Spell token in 2040 is supposed to be $0.6 and 693, with expected change somewhere in the range of $0.6 and 254 and $0.75 on 56. As of the most recent update, Spell token is exchanging at around $789. Long haul investigation recommends that Spell token cost might actually flood to $0.19898 by 2050. Spell token value expectation 2024. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Spell token is supposed to reach at least value worth of $998. The Spell cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.011 with the typical worth of $0.0. Spell token value forecast 2025. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at least worth of $114 in 2025. The Spell token cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.17 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.14 all through 2025. Spell value figure for 2026. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.21 in 2026. The Spell token cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.95 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.21 all through 2026. Spell token Spell value expectation 2027. The cost of one Spell token is supposed to reach at least degree of $0.80 in 2027. The Spell cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.86 with the typical cost of $0.31 all through 2027. Spell token value expectation 2028. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.46 in 2028. The Spell token cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.53 with the typical cost of $0.47 all through 2028. Spell token value expectation 2029. Spell token cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.69 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the Spell cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0 with the typical gauge cost of $0.71. Spell token Spell value expectation 2030. Spell token cost is estimate to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $101 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.12 with the typical conjecture cost of $0.15. Spell token value estimate 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of spell, in 2031 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $153. The spell cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $177 with the typical exchanging cost of $158. Spell token spell value expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of spell, in 2032 the cost of spell token is gauged to be at around a base worth of $235. The spell token value worth can arrive at a limit of $0271 with the typical exchanging worth of $2241 in USD. Spell token value forecast 2033. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $342. The spell cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.49 with the typical exchanging cost of $354. Spell token value figure 240. Looking at authentic execution gives setting. However, it is vital to perceive that previous presentation isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2040 the cost of spell token is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $0.6254. The spell cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.7556 with the typical worth of $0.1693. Spell value figure for 2050. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is significant, however opinion can be whimsical. Inspecting current market elements can offer experiences into potential cost developments. However, taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2050, the greatest cost of spell token is supposed to reach $98.98, with a typical exchanging worth of $99.99. The base cost is projected to be around $472. Spell token value conjecture facts. How high can spell token go? The typical cost of spell token spell could go to dollars in dollars before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will handily come to the $147 mark. What is the spell token cost today? Today spell token spell is exchanging at $789 with the market cap of $84, $795, $553,000. What amount will spell token be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, spell token will have a base cost of $0.53 and a most extreme cost of $0.46 per spell. Since spell token is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth changes radically. What will be the spell most elevated figure cost for 2024? The spell cost is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $11 toward the finish of 2024.